What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making some delicious momos, basically a dumpling. So you can see I have just finished chopping onions and meat. I had just mixed chopped onions, meat and coriander leaves plus refined oil and salt. Momos is very famous in northeast India, especially in Sikkim and Darjeeling. In some part of Nepal, it's very famous. I have seen that. But in Darjeeling, Sikkim, it's famous, and this is very delicious. You know, guys, if you ever come to India and visit Sikkim or Darjeeling, don't forget to eat dumpling, guys. Okay. You'll get varieties of dumplings like chicken, veg, pork, everything, guys. Which one you want? Which one you like? My favorite is chicken and pork, you know. So today I'm making pork momos. Now flour dough is ready. These are the circles. Like this. So guys, now I have just finished stretching the rolls. This is the steamer, momo steamer, and the fillings. So guys, now I will fill the rolls in the rolls. So guys, you can see my steamer is full now with dumplings. You can see it's full. And here it's full. Now it's ready to cook, guys. These are the leftover momos. I'll cook it after the steamer gets empty. Okay, so the momos are on. I've got the steamer going on the stove and they are starting to cook just for 30 minutes and they'll be ready.